Hello guys, my name is Marty and in this video I will show you how to find serial number on your T-phone or any Android phone you have. There are two ways how to do it. First one, go to settings. All the way down you need to find about phone, click on it. Scroll down a little bit and that's it. Here we go. This is your serial number of your phone. So one more time, settings, all the way down, about phone, and here we go. The easiest way how to do it is with the code. So we're gonna call this code. Now, like this, and that's it. So I will show you one more time. So and that's it, guys. Guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you. Bye bye.